Hello everyone, welcome to Technia TV. I am Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor BA JMC Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic app monetization. Choosing the right monetization service for the best conversion is very important thing. Before you get too lost in the creation of your app, you will need to know what you want to do with it. How do you want to monetize? While monetizing by selling your product is non-brainer with a mobile commerce app, there are other ways that you can monetize depending on your business. That being said, the most common app monetization method through is ads, particularly native advertising. The trick is to choosing a few products that complement your app won't turn off your users. When it comes to incorporating an ad content, relevancy and engagement are key. For this reason, using a quality ad network and mobile discovery platform can be very useful in helping connect in your app with the best content for your users. AppNext mobile app platform is an example of this kind of useful tool that can deliver meaningful revenue. If you don't think ads are the right fit for your m-commerce app, you can explore other alternative ways to monetize, including have a paid app, email marketing, SMS marketing, offer in-app purchases, find sponsors or partners, become an affiliate, offer a subscription, give users the mobile shopping experience they want. With the right planning, design, and strategy, your app can offer your startup a meaningful, lucrative monetization channel. In my opinion, if you want to compete and succeed within the e-commerce sector, a mobile presence is essential. Today, consumers gravitate towards a mobile shopping experience, and the demand for this experience will only continue to grow, especially via mobile apps. Now, let's know what is app monetization strategy. Simply put, it is a plan for driving revenue via your mobile app using one or a combination of different app monetization models. It is best to consider and plan for monetization during the strategy phase so you don't have to force fit something later. Outside of direct m-commerce, there are 5 basic options. Number 1 is pay to download app. Pretty straightforward. These are apps that you pay to download. Number 2 is subscription. User pay monthly fee via the app stores. Number 3 is purchases. The app is free to download, but the publisher makes money on in-app purchase that provide an enhanced premium experience. In games, these are usually microtransactions such as special gear, extra lives, weapons, gaming levels, etc. In other types of apps, these could be access to exclusive content behind a paywall. Next one is limited freemium. The app is free to download, but it is limited in one or two ways. Either the user can access the full functionality for a short time, or the free version only offer basic functionality such as few games levels. The idea is to entice users to try before they buy, hoping the app experience is compelling enough to convert them to a fully paid or subscription version. Free to download. Next one app is free to download with advertising. Of course, in app advertising is an increasingly common way to monetize all type of apps. User will welcome ads if they are well targeted, relevant, interesting, and non-disruptive to the user's experience. It's even better if the advertising adds value by connecting users with the rewards or exclusive content. You will make even more money if you can promote the app for free. For example, email list. You might not think of this as likely first step, but using an email strategy tie-in with your app is a fantastic to get more engagement from your customer, which in turn tend to more money. Your email strategy can be pretty varied. If you have promotions, deals, and send an access code in the email that they can enter inside the app. If you write a regular newsletter or have a blog component on your website, promote those through the emails while reminding users they can read all the content you produce on their mobile device. Number two is advertising. If you are not including ads in your app, you might be missing out on in phenomenal opportunity for monetizing. Digital advertising through mobile app has improved the communication between advertiser and consumers dramatically. This is largely due to the crazy amount of time people spend on their phones, and a lot of time people simply don't want to pay for the apps they spend all that time on, putting those insights into good use. In conclusion, by this point you are well aware of how awesome a mobile app can be for your bottom line. It can allow you to expand your brand and make connection with your customers you might never have reached before. And as you have seen this post, it can also be considerable source of revenue. So take advantage of this strategy for monetizing your mobile app and watch your business begin to generate more app revenue than ever. Thank you so much. This is all in this chapter. Keep watching Technia TV.